Coffee here, and today got the Wacom pen tablet, and so this is the tablet where we can just draw on it and it just appears on the laptop. And so let's unbox it, and top of it you're getting some details of it and MRP and Wacom, and this is the picture of it, and here is the information, black and red color combination, and it's written over here, creative pen tablet. And at the back of it you're getting the diagram how this thing works, and you're getting a pen tablet, the tablet, the pen, and there's some instructions and a data cable. So let's unbox it. Oops. So this is the one by Wacom. Let's unbox it. Okay, here is some instructions, and this is the tablet itself. So what you get is this is the pen I was talking about. You can see some buttons and Wacom branding on it, and some instructions. There's a data cable, and if you remove this you're getting, so if you lift this you're getting some extra lead to that pencil. So now this is the tablet itself you're seeing over here. It has a smooth surface, and you're getting an LED light over here, and there's Wacom branding over here. If you flip it over, you're getting some details over here, and you can write your name over here. And pretty much it, guys. So let me know in comments what do you think about this tablet. And this is the pen. So let me know in comments what do you think about this tablet. So thanks for watching.